Welcome to the Kwik Performance Engine Lab. We're talking about the LT motor today, and if you have an LT motor from 14 to 19, one of the things about it is that it has this offset water pump, and you're going to have to make a couple decisions as well. AC is mounted down low, and these engines did not come with hydraulic power steering. They're all electric assist. So what this bracket here does is it's just adding the power steering. This is a non-AC version, so if you were doing a truck, or if you live up north and you don't need air conditioning, this is a way for you to get power steering to your LT motor for doing your engine swap. It's going to run on a single serpentine belt. It's going to remount the alternator in the stock location, so that's going to be no problem for wiring. And then we have a remote power steering pump down here. You will need to mount a reservoir either over here on the fender or up here on the firewall. We'll leave that up to you, and it'll get you down the road at a price point that makes sense. Thanks.